morning to everyone. The unit 1, next chapter, the types of current generation of drone based on their method of propulsion. Myself, Dr. M. Shivaraj, Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering. So, types of current generation of drone based on their method of propulsion. So, the unmanned vehicle, aerial vehicle can be classified into three types based on their propulsion system: fuel type, hybrid type, fuel electric, and the pure electric type. The propulsion system is an essential part of the UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, that generates thrust to control the hover in the air. It includes the electric motor, electronic speed controller, power sources, and energy management system. Single rotor drones. These drones have the one large rotor and a tail rotor with the stability. They are more efficient and have the longer flight times than the rotary wing drones. They can carry heavy payload and are suitable for operations that require endurance such as cargo transport or in agriculture spraying. This is one of the single rotor model. The image will be taken through the slide. And next one, the fixed wing drones. So these drones uses in aerodynamics to horns air and generate forces that allow them to stay in the air. They are similar in design to radio controlled aircraft and are often used to map large areas. This is a fixed wing drone image through the slide. In VT image of this slide is. And VAV propulsion classification based on the energy type. How will be classified now? Unmanned aerial vehicle propulsion in three based on the energy, three type. One is a fuel, and next one is a hybrid, third one is electric. The fuel will be to classified in ramjet, piston, and turbo. And the hybrid will be to classify based on the structure, the parallel, and the series. And the electric will be classified based on the system components, power supply, and IMS and the motor. The fuel will be classified based on the engine differences. The piston will be to furthermore classified reciprocating and the battery. And turbo will be classified and the turbojet and the turbo fan. And furthermore classified turbo propulsion and the turbo faults. The hybrid will be the series type of parallel and the complex type of parallel. The hybrid have based on the different type of structure. The electric type will be to further classified in brushless DC motor and the super electrolytic motor. Based on the motor will be no system components. That's why the three electric, fuel, and hybrid and electric will be to classified from the in. And this is another good image through the slide. Have the rotary engine. This is a cut section of the rotary image, the rotary piston, cylinder. What are the components will be to have the rotary engine, the spark, intake, and the spark. And the energy density and the power density of the energy storage devices. X-axis will be power density and Y-axis will be energy density. So here will be the four type of image will be the four type of discussion point will be the fuel cell and then batteries and the double layer capacitor and electrolyte capacitor. So the more powerful the fuel cell will be to have the in good energy density and the low power density. The good energy will be to have from the in turnovers. The fuel cell will be good compared with the other the power density will be in good. At the same time the energy density will be very low compared with the in electrolytic capacitor to the in fuel cell. So the graph will be clearly identified in four type of element. So different type of battery now, how much amount of battery storage will be to have clearly identified from the slide. And these are characteristics of the different wing type of UAV. So here will be different type of model will be have, different type of type, and what is the length and weight and the speed and time height. So this is based on the model, different type of model. The model will be to have based on the different application, the different type of model will be to use. This one will be different oil-based engine character. This also in different type of model will be have. So this is known as the types will be piston engine, rotary engine, turbojet, and a turbo fan and turbo propulsion different type. The output based on the HP power horsepower will be have the rotary rotator speed and the power to weight ratio and speed and the flight height and endurance time and the flight weight. That's why the different type of character. Another one, the advantages and the disadvantages of the fourth type of the turbos. The turbo will first example the turbojet no the advantage will be wide application and the high speed character and suitable for high altitude, and disadvantage the high emission at the low speed and high cost and complex technology and low efficiency. So the structure type and the second one the series type, there were different type of feature and advantages and disadvantages. The propulsion system will be powered by the electric motor only. The advantage will be the structure will be simple structure, but same time easy to control, the maintain and low cost. Same time The disadvantages is in high emission and the low efficiency and only electric mode. And the comparison of the lithium battery and the fuel cell and the solar cell characteristics. The battery will be have different type of solar battery and different type of battery will be have based on the efficiency. The different type of classification will be to have and the power and the work temperature, power density, cycle type, and the lithium. Everything will be clearly identified from the diagram table. So comparison with the fuel cell and the in solar UAV characteristics. That is the battery type, wavelength, and power no the table. So you will be clear to understand. So what type of this good from the in solar cell and the fuel cell for the. This is an overview of the in propeller system. So this is the fuel components and the generator, power converter, battery, energy management, motor controller, mechanical coupler, engine, and the gearbox. Everything. And this is a drone application. One of the major application. The drone are able to capture the every inch of the property, including the potential issue. This makes the focus to offer aerial drone photos and the videos are more attractive to the player for the nowadays for the land bike. And the drone can use to gather the data before the risk is ensued to help the preventive management and be used to access the damage after the events. There is also the opportunity for insurance company to open a new line of the business with the drone and that have creating insurance for the drone itself. Some way the drone have the benefiting the construction industry, the reducing the labor time for the surveying line, to improving the infrastructure, providing the more accurate surveillance and adding efficiency to the inspection. Thank you. The industry is finding the way to use the drone as a temporary cell tower with the drone covering the over area affected the natural disaster and the infrastructure struggle now. The other drone effect include the sending the solar power drone to provide the internet access to the rural area.